See, but like that was the best thing about this band. The fucking following that they had already cultivated
Yeah.
up to this point. He could have sucked at this, and I don't know if it would have mattered.
So this was in like in the transition from singers between singers.
Yeah. And also he's from a big band of the time and
Only pushed away out to find you. I'm sorry, and that's yours. It all my chance. The story ends. I will find a way with that. It is I should do.
he sounds good.
Yeah. That sounded decent for whatever phone that was.
But God, live sound 19 years ago. How did we ever deal with it?